Hello, description of the button Visual Basic 6.0. Pointer, left, front, checkbox, listbox, scroll bar, timer, the listbox, shape, image, OLED.
Picture box, text box, command button, option box, command box, scroll bar, three lines box, fill this box, line, data.
Pointer, the province a way to move and raise the control form. Next, picture box, the display icons, bitmap, and metafeed. It displays text or acts as visual content for other controls. Next, label, the display active text that the user cannot modify or interact with. Next, text box, the user to display messages and enter text. Next, frame, the desert a visual and functional content for controls. Command button, the user to carry out the specific action when the user chooses it. Next, checkbox, the display a true, false, or yes/no option. Next, option button, the option button controls which a part of an option growth allows the user to select only one option even if displayed multiple choices. Next, list box, the display a list of items from which a user can select one. Next, combo box, the contains a text box and list box. This allows the user to select items from the drop-down list box or to type in selection in the text box.
Scroll bar, the horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar that controls allows the user to select, value, filter the specific range of values. Next, timer, the executes the timer events at specific intervals of time. Next, list box, the display the disk drivers and allows the user to select one of them. List box, the allows the user to select the direction and paths. Next, fill a list box, the display and set of fields from which a user can select the desired one. Next, shape, the used to add shape rectangular, square, or circular to form. Line, the user to draw a straight line to the form. Image, the user to display images such as icons, bitmaps, and meta files but less capacity than the picture box. Next, data, the enables the user to connection to an existing database and display information from it. Next, wallet, the used to next or embed of an object, display and manipulate data from Water Windows-based application.